They build up from the moisture of the cave. Plants that grow in the cave are different kinds of mushrooms and fungi. Sometimes vines will grow on the outside of the cave.
Animals will sometimes just sleep in the cave, but other types will live there. Foxes, rabbits, skunks, and rats come and go, sniffing for food or a place to hide from their predators. Bats, birds, and raccoons come in and out. Deer stop by, and salamanders live there. Some insects like spiders, crickets, flies, and others will crawl around or fly. Caves formation look like lily pads, flowers, popcorns, waterfalls, and jellyfish. Caves have water and some caves have water. Some of the caves have snow. There are lava caves. In a limestone cave you can find crystals. Limestone is a piece of sedimentary rock. It is enragedly white by the help of iron oxide and carbon. Limestone can either be brown, yellow, red, blue, black, or even gray.
Bobcat. A bobcat weighs about 15 to 30 pounds. They have a litter to 1 to 6 kittens. A bobcat has a poor sense of smell. Sharp eyes and excellent hearing help it hunt better at night. Their eyes will collect light and reflect it back out. When a bobcat is happy, Case ears are back and pointing forward. The bobcat hisses, spits, meows, and purrs. Ranger color is tawny and reddish in the summer and spring, and grayish in the winter and fall. Bobcats live in many different kinds of habitats, like forests, mountains, deserts, and caves. The territory of the male and female bobcat sometimes overlap, but the female refuses to share territory with other females. The bobcat will not hibernate or migrate. The bobcat's favorite food is the snowshoe hare. Some bobcats eat turkey, like for Thanksgiving. They live alone and mate in February. They got their name from their short bob's tail. The bobcat might need to rest for 10 minutes before they attack. They love rocky ledges as lookouts. We hope you enjoyed their cave presentation and our presentation. Thank you for coming.